New at 6, a Lubbock Animal Services employee is on leave after a dog was found injured. And tonight, officials saying that employee did not follow protocol. According to LAS, the employee was responding to a call for a critically injured dog. The employee picked up the dog, then returned to their home and left the dog in the LAS vehicle in the apartment complex parking lot. Neighbors say they were woken up from the dog barking in the truck. Then they say that employee attended to the animal and then it went quiet. The next morning, the neighbors reported a pool of blood where the truck was parked. Animal Services continues to investigate, and the employee is on leave until the investigation is done.